Good afternoon from Universal Studios Hollywood. If you can't tell behind me, we're riding Secret Life of Pets. I know you clicked on the thumbnail. We are starting this video off with a full ride through. If you're looking to skip that full ride through, here's the timestamp down below. Thank you, subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff. We're headed inside.
You should go find Max and Duke. They love helping other pets. One time, I got stuck in a can of potato chips, and Max and Duke, they got me out. Yeah, I was storing potato chips in my cheeks, so my face got stuck.
Oh, Daisy, you a fluffy genius.
She was a showgirl with yellow feathers in her hair and dress.
Duke, these puppies look super nice, don't get me wrong, but we can't possibly take in all of them.
Oh, you're right.
Good.
We'll just keep a few.
Hey, I'll tell you what. Why don't you puppies go see Captain Snowball? He lives to help animals. Good guy. Crazy, but a good guy.
Okay, look, it's a little abstract, but the point is, that's me, that's you, that's the pet store. Now I've made it my personal mission to get all of you stray puppy dogs adopted.
It's gonna be fine, okay? Just listen to Captain Snowball and do exactly what he says. Unless he say something crazy, which he probably will. Anyway, have fun.
That's so exciting. Let's try, everyone.
Don't eat anything weird off the sidewalk.
What are you filthy nuts doing here?
notes on my very first ride on Secret Life of Pets. I loved this. The queue was, I would wait 25 minutes for the queue alone just to see it, because there's animatronics in there, it's like interactive but not interactive. I'm sure you guys saw some of the clips. The ride itself is really good. It's kind of short, but it's very, very cute. They use screens very well on the ride. It sounds weird because Universal has been known to not be the best with incorporating screens. You don't have glasses though. The one question I do have is you do have to climb a flight of stairs to get into the regular loading area. So I don't know what their like accessibility type procedure is for that, but I did see one of the cars that looked like it could house like a wheelchair or something like that. So hopefully, I don't know that exact procedure. I definitely recommend looking up beforehand if you do have a concern with that. But overall, amazing, amazing ride. I really wish we could get this in Florida, but from what I heard, we can't get this in Florida. The Shrek 4D building is pretty big. This building is bigger, only because I could tell because I'm over at Universal Studios Florida literally all the time. So that was Secret Life of Pets though. Right now, I'm meeting up with a friend. We're gonna introduce you in like 1 sec.
Hi guys, I'm Jinx Everywhere on YouTube, Instagram, and all that stuff.
And we are headed down to do Jurassic World River Adventure. Is that the full name?
Jurassic World The Ride, that's it.
Just the ride, not River Adventure?
The ride.
Earlier today, I mentioned to a team member, I was like, oh, are there lockers by River Adventure? And he gave me a weird look. I was like, oh, that's why, because it's not called that. That's
nope.
Whatever.
It's
Let me get that. Jurassic World The Ride was outstanding, better than I thought it would have been. There are more animatronics from the original ride-through that I saw. I saw a ride-through when it originally opened pre-park closures, and they added another Indominus Rex. I was blown away by the final scene. I don't know how good the footage was I got, simply because it was so dark up there. I did try to swap out some settings though. And if you've seen my videos before, you know I don't like getting really wet on water rides. This one is not bad whatsoever, so even if you don't like water rides, for sure make this one work. Maybe stay away from the edges, especially during the scene at the very beginning of it with the glass. This scene. We made it back up to the upper lot. We're in Simpsons land in Springfield right now, and we got something really cool to show you. Look, check this out.
So over here by the nuclear power plant where Homer Simpsons works, there's a red button, but you have to be super careful not to press said red button because you don't want a nuclear meltdown to happen.
Cool. Maybe I have the magic touch.
Run, Ryan! Run! Run!
This secret comes along with a tip. Do not sit at these tables that are by that, because every single time somebody comes up, which is from what we've seen over the past 10 minutes of hanging out, like every 30 seconds somebody comes up. So if you want a peace and quiet with your lunch, maybe find a different spot in Springfield. One thing that I have yet to do on this trip is see the Kung Fu Panda short film. This is one thing we actually don't have in Orlando, and I'm very excited. Here in Hollywood, the show building that they use for Kung Fu Panda used to be where they had their Shrek 4D attraction. Theirs closed a long time ago, like maybe the one in Florida should have. Don't report me, I'm sorry. I do love Universal, but Shrek 4D is kind of old. Also, we're in Hogsmeade.
You got Hogsmeade on this side, you got Art Deco design on this side. Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood.
And as usual, I cannot film in any type of like movies, so we're gonna see you once we get out. I don't know who told me Kung Fu Panda was not a good movie. I heard it was just like, okay. It's very hard to explain to those who have not actually been on this, but it's very much like PhilharMagic. If you know PhilharMagic at Magic Kingdom, now at Disney's California Adventure, the screen kind of opens up and it wraps around where, at least a part of where the crowd is. Here's a clip of what the theater looks like. I did take a quick clip before the movie started. To my knowledge, what I was told by our friend Jinx is that the movie itself was made for a theme park in Dubai and they retrofitted it for here. You will not be able to tell if you don't know that fact. So, although it might be something that you would normally skip over, I don't know, like, I've been texting back and forth with Isabel, which she's not on this trip with me. I've been saying, you know, next time we go to Universal, like in Hollywood, or next time I go with her, obviously she'll be with me next time, we need to do more than one day, because there's so much to do, especially for somebody who hasn't been here before. If you get express, if you're here during downtime, you can get it done in one day, but we want to enjoy the park, not just the rides, like ride, we want to enjoy the park too. So right now we are headed to go do Secret Life of Pets one more time. I wrote it at the very beginning of the vlog. I'm not taking you guys with me. If you do want to see it again, I don't know, go to the beginning of it. As always, be sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, subscribe to our friend who does a lot of California-based theme park content as well. He's gonna be in the description, and I'm gonna put his link at the bottom here, all the other social stuff like that. With all that being said, thanks for hanging out on this long, tiring trip. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.